How to create a YouTube banner on your mobile phone. So first you want to go ahead onto Google or any searching site and then type in this. YouTube banner template PNG. So now you want to look for a photo that has a transparent background. Alright, so this one will work. As you can see, it has a transparent background. We're going to press and hold on it and click on the download image button. So now that this has been downloaded into our folder, we want to find a couple of other photos that we want to include in our YouTube banner. So maybe our banner is about Fortnite, so we can basically type in Fortnite. Maybe download this awesome page. So just download all the photos, and once you have that done, you want to go into your Google Play Store, and then in the search bar, you want to download this right over here. It's called PixArt. Click on open, and then you want to open up the YouTube template that you have just downloaded. And then now at the bottom, you want to scroll until you find what says add photo. Click on that. And then now you're going to add your Fortnite or whatever you have, as well as the YouTube template again. We can simply play around with it, add more photos if you desire. And once you're done, click on the download button on the top middle. And then so yeah, as you can see, if we go over to our photos, we have created this banner.